Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the pop-ups that are related to the site shieldads.net. Shieldads.net is a deceptive site. Right now it attacks Google Chrome browser. This website, shieldads.net, promotes a special extension called Ads Shield. The developers indicate that it can automatically skip advertisements while you surf the web or watch videos, but this particular extension actually operates as adware itself. Instead of blocking ads, it shows its own advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. So if these pop-ups shieldads.net have attacked your browser, disregard these fake alerts. Also, check the list of your available browser extensions. Go to the menu, More Tools, Extensions, and then if you find any third-party extensions here, get rid of them. I also recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.